Okay, Assalamu alaikum. In this tutorial, I'll going to tell you that how to apply this voucher that is assigned to you by Huawei to fix your exam schedule. So this is the guideline that I'm going to share with you. This is the link. Log into the exam appointment link. You have to just copy this link location and paste it over here in the browser. Okay, it is in Chinese. Okay, if it comes in Chinese from here, you can change it to English, and then you have to log in. Okay. Okay, again it is in Chinese. Here there is a link. You can convert it into English. Okay, so from now you have to check here your information. Your information should be correct, especially your first name and last name, because this is the name that is going to be appear on your certificate, and your email address, because on this email address they will share with you your certificate in case when you will pass the exam. If any of the information that you think is not correct or you want to update it, here is a tab edit, and you click on edit tab and you can add the information and change it accordingly and then save. Okay, country of residence is not coming over here, so we will add. Okay, exam identity. Okay, exam identity you will use the same that you use for your identification purpose, that is your civil ID. Okay, so here you will choose student, and ID number is disabled already, so you don't have to make any change here. Save. Okay. Then there is another field, that is authorization code. This authorization code I'm going to share with you guys. This is the authorization code I will send to all of you. You just have to copy this and paste here and then click on search. Okay, when you click on search, it will show you that verification is successful. Once verification is successful, now we will go and schedule the exam. Okay, once your authorization is successful, for this authorization code you have to choose exam. So exam is already scheduled for you. It should be HCIA routing and switching, and language you have to choose here English. Rest of the things, session is already scheduled for you. You cannot change the time, and all other things you will keep it as it is. Okay, after that you have to just click on these two check boxes and click next. Okay, select a coupon which is available. So we have this one voucher available for you. Okay, next. So this information will come for you, like your personal information, make sure everything is correct, and your appointment information where your exam date, 2nd Jan, session number, and make sure that language is English, otherwise your exam will be delivered in that other language. Okay, so you have to click on submit. Okay, and now you will get this information where you have your my appointment, and when you click on it, it will show the details, like this is your appointment code, this is your exam code, language, and everything is there. So all of you must have to do this, because now your voucher has been approved. So by entering this authorization code, you have to schedule your exam. Your exam is already scheduled. You need to just fix it, like so you must have to enter authorization code to finalize the exam. Otherwise your exam will not be in the system and you won't be able to do online exam in that case. So in order to come that exam into your system, into your login ID, because it is online exam, you have to enter authorization code and perform this step. Okay, thank you so much. Please, all of you have to do it until Thursday. Thursday is deadline. Thank you.